Do you want to know how you can log into your zaap.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your zaap.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to your search bar and then search for Zap AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. You can see that a login portal opens up. This is the official login portal of zaap.ai. Write down your email address in this box over here and your password in this one. After you write down your email address and password, make sure it's correct and then click continue. This way you can log into your zaap.ai account using your email address. If you want to skip all of this and want to sign in with Google, go ahead and click sign in with Google and select your Google account. Then click continue to sign in to zaap.ai. In a while, you will notice that you have been logged into your zaap.ai account using your Google address. So go ahead and click continue, select your username, click skip if you want to add your socials, and in a while you can see that you will now be logged into your zaap.ai account. I hope this video about how you can log into your zaap.ai account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.